So I'll just create a project here and create my portfolio website using Claude Code for free using local models. So let's just call it test web project. Go inside this project and let's open command prompt here by typing cmd, enter, and command prompt will open inside this directory. If you are on terminal, just open your terminal and browse to your project directory. Now this is the project directory where Claude Code will make files and create your project. So make sure you are inside that project in your command prompt or terminal. Okay, so to run Claude locally, you just need to enter this command, Ollama run Claude. Okay, my bad, you don't need to enter this command, Ollama run Claude. It'll try to run Claude as a model. You need to enter Ollama launch Claude. Hit enter. Now Claude will open and it will ask you to choose a model. Now I'm using Ollama and Claude Code. You need to install Ollama and Claude Code before you can run these commands. So it's just a one-line command to install both Ollama and Claude Code. To install Ollama, you can enter this command, and to install Claude, you just need to enter this command. You can pause the video, enter the command, and come back to this video. Okay, so once you've installed Ollama and Claude Code, you just need to run this command, Ollama launch Claude, and it will ask you to choose the models. So I already have Tiny Llama here, but you can choose any one of these recommended models. Here you can see the recommended options are GLM 4.7 Flash, Qwen 3.5, Kimi, Qwen Cloud, and so on. So these four actually with Cloud are actually run on Cloud, and you'll need API key from Cloud itself. And these two, GLM and Qwen, these will be downloaded. So this not downloaded, it means that these models are not downloaded locally, but if you choose these models will be downloaded locally and you'll be able to use these models for free, unlimited. Now, there are a bunch of models that you can use with Claude Code. Let's see what those are. You can see the full list of models that you can use with Ollama and consequently with Claude Code in this list here. Again, I'll have this link in the description below where you can check the models. And I just used Tiny Llama because it is a lightweight model. And yeah, so you can just pull any model from here by entering this command, git pull, and then the model name. And once the model is pulled, what you can do is you can just run the model to test it out, or once you have pulled it, you can just do Ollama launch Claude and your model that you have pulled will be available here in more, and you can choose using arrow keys. And now you can just click on the model that you want and hit enter. And now as you can see, it says launching Claude Code with Tiny Llama, and it will access your workspace test web project. And here it asks you, do you trust this folder? Of course you trust this folder. Hit enter, and now you can ask Claude Code to do anything. Now it says welcome back. I have a link because I was logged in to Claude Code using my previous account. Now what you can do is you can just run Claude Code and ask it to do anything. I'll say create a portfolio website for me. You can have a long prompt here and it will create all the files required for you. Hit enter. Okay, so the model that I'm using, Tiny Llama, it does not support tools. So the tools are actually API calls. So what you can do is instead of Tiny Llama, you can try and use any one of these recommended models. So we can try with Qwen 3.5. Now it will download Qwen 3.5 in your system, and then you'll be able to use Claude Code with Qwen 3.5 just like I've shown you. If you hit enter, it will now start downloading Qwen 3.5, and once the download is complete, again Claude Code will open like this, and then you will be able to use Claude Code for free with Qwen 3.5. Since it's 6.6 GB, it'll take quite some time, but you download it once and use it forever for free. So yeah, just use any one of these suggested models. Don't do what I do and go ahead and use Tiny Llama. Use Qwen 3.5 or any other of the recommended models. So this is how you can run Claude Code locally for free with local models. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.